Our daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's weekend Saturday, April the 20th, 2024. Look, April the 20th. We have here two irregular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku. Well, it's a medium Sudoku. This one. And we have here also a Quintuplet, aka a Samurai Sudoku. This one I will solve tomorrow evening, Sunday evening, and this one I will solve in a minute. And in the evening we have here a puzzle page with 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, another 3-star Sudoku, Killer Sudoku, 2 binaries with 3 stars, and the tectonic. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Tomorrow afternoon we have an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars and 1 with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve on Sunday afternoon. Yes. But first, let me start with this one. The 3-star Sudoku. Well, the publisher has changed this. Usually the Saturday puzzle is a medium Sudoku. Medium Sudoku number 8396. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, in the additional 26 is a 2-star puzzle. A 3-star puzzle has 25 printed digits, so this one has 1 more. For a 3-star puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Well, it should be a 2-star puzzle because it has 26 printed digits, and then I need 15 to 20 minutes. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. I see here 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next down needs place left for the 2 should be there. Alright, need a 3 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have a 5 and a 7 in this row, so no 5 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so in the first row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 3. I need more information. Insufficient information right now. But we have a pair now. 3 and a 7 in this row. 3 and a 7 in that row. So the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 7 and 3, 7 and 3. So 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then, let me see. 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Yeah. The numbers. 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4 is missing. 2, 4. The 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 4, 8. Let me mark those. 2, 4, 8. Alright. And now 4, 4, 3, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, there are only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left. 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And now I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. How about the number? The number 5, 5. I need 4 here. Let me think. 9 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I need a 5. And I need an 8. 5 and 8. Interesting. About here. 1 and the 4, 5. Need a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here, 1 in this row, no 1 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this 3rd row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in the 3rd row, 1 in the 2nd row. So in the 1st row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the 1st column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the 3rd column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 1. Alright. 4, 4, yeah. 3 missing numbers in the 1st row. One of the missing numbers is 4. Here can be 4, we have a 4 in the last column, no 4 there. Here can be a 4, we have a 4 in the 1st column, no 4 there. So the only place left the 4 in the 1st row should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in the 1st row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this big square. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 5 goes there. Alright. And now, let me see. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So the column between. Only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row. 2 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the 2nd row, so in the 3rd row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the 3rd column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the 3rd column, 2 in the 2nd column, so in the 1st column, the only place left, the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. This is number 2. Alright, so here 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left 8 should be there. Well, and now 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. Okay, and now. Need a 5 here. 6 and a 9. I'm thinking. Need a 7 here. How about the 4? 4, need a 4 here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 4. Wait. Wait. And now, how about? I need a 6 here. 6 and come on. Need a 3 here. Need a 9 here. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row, so the row between. Only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Need a 9 here. 6 and a 9. We already have a 9 here in the first column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first column. For the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Well, we have a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And then 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. Cannot continue. Yeah, with the 5 and the 8. Well. I need to wait with the 5 and 8. Yeah, so 5 and 8. Well, we have 8 now in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, 5 goes there. Well. Second one. 1 box left in this big square for number 5. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. 7 and a 3, we have a 7. In the second column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this first column, 3 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 box left now in this column. For number, I believe it's the 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only place left on the 9 should be there. Alright. Okay. I need to blow my nose again. It's freezing here. Excuse me. Almost finished. 2 numbers left. This big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 5 in this row, Oh no, we all waited for 5. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left is 6 should be there. 9 and 8, we have a 9 now. In this last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square. Also for the 9 and 8, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Maybe faster. But we solve it again. We solve it again. Definitely a 2 stars puzzle. Not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1-star puzzle. But we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.